See it. That is it. Only.
One more on, guys.
One more and again, guys.
One more.
You gone? False alarm.
False alarm. One on Pantuna line. One on Pantuna line, guys. Big guys.
Lego.
Welcome back, my people. So look at, see wildlife boss, yeah? Why? Take on the road. Ziggy round there. 90s there. So guys, come out today for do a one top on video, you know guys. Huh? Look here. The rain, that's what's happening. Rain like what? Rain more than flower. Or water more than flowers, what them would have said. But here guys, must go on, you know, because we're determined. Nonstop today.
I could have militant.
Go and stay tuned and watch what go on. I could have hurricane out there to them people.
I could have fireball fall from the sky.
I could have fire fall from the sky, guys.
Oh, they're inactive.
Oh,
Walk
they're
and
inactive.
believe, we say.
Must go on, walk and believe. Let's go and stay tuned and watch what go on. So guys, I'm going to try. I'm going to look spot so we're going to try to get some bait fish because we never bother stop up by canal look. See what we are? Bait him up for me, go play hook. Come on, move so. What is it? Take a bite.
This is going to drop out the head in your mouth.
Drop in my mouth. Where was me, I mean?
They just swallow him and done.
Yeah. And if you ever taste good, worm catch clean and cook.
It's a joke, my joke.
See that, guys? Set him as a shape or a hook and pop off a little part of the conserve. Because we're heavy on the worm. I'm going to try one little spot right over here. Forward with me. Yeah guys, so remember say some bait we are going to look. And we normally look it out the canal them right here so. Normally look the bait out the irrigation system. Water brown. So part here right here so now go try it. I tried to some small fish so we can use it catch tarpon guys.
People, as you can see, watch out. I rode with them and see if on the right this way, you know. You go see. Just look right here, so. You go see what we take out of this. Look, as you can see, roadside people. Just look what I got spoon like a casting it in the pothole, you see me? So we drive through. They say line him up, line him up.
Line him up quick and fast.
Get them, Reggie.
Canter, watch a canter. Tell him before you throw it, Judah. Tell Canter say watch ya. Because Canter thinks
Canter, me tell you about your wild ground, you know, Canter. Canter, what you with in your hometown, you know, Canter. You bring in a swamp, so you bring in a wild, and you bring it uptown to a party, Canter. Party you bring it Canter. You see me, Canter, now we in a wild.
Make sure real wild.
Or in a wild with the Canter.
You have Europe mosquito.
Yeah.
This in there?
Right over here, some thing come back.
Like in there, I'm making.
What is that?
Like you look like over this.
While I go when we attack, I see me see go saying.
You should have closer to your road. But I dig way to make it.
Like a right to say you there, no. That down, back down, so when you run go.
Once you go 5 minutes, I'm going to pick him up in a minute.
See me?
Guys, one in the
Watch out.
cameraman! Why? See me, it's too much. Let him 90s. Why?
Volunteer.
Hold on. Don't ease him out, China. Hold on, don't ease him out, China. Take your time. Let me find him back there. Take your time. Squeeze down in the 90s.
Find him back.
Hold on. Take time. Take time, go up in the 90s.
Ah, see in front leg
Take
there.
time. You good? Tell me when you're good enough.
See in front leg
Tell me
there.
when you're good. Go up more. Hold him up more. Yeah. See, Eddie. That is
See
it. That
there.
is it. Only
That is it.
Well, I'm gonna talk to Cantana, man.
Alright, hold him up more.
Talk to Cat.
That is it.
Canta. Canta, look how we bus park, Canta. And look where Pato. Canta, see we gully over there, so. We not reach gully yet. You see what I say? Wildlife we do for real, Canta, bit.
Wildlife.
Come.
Show them.
Go take peace time.
Take me time 90s.
Hold him till 90s.
Only the friend. That is it. Regular deal.
You know what I'm about so?
Regular deal. People are wild for
Turn
you.
him. Turn him.
Wild for you.
That is it, man.
This
Guys.
the little boy, you know. That is it.
So yeah, guys. See? Baby crooks. Just catch him from right out of patrol like we are told.
Right type of tour, guys.
Right out of patrol. But watch it. See cricket right over here. So guys, if we do him the day night patrol and we catch him, we not they not cause no threat to wildlife when we there down here, you see me? And we name wildlife. So you must know what we are
Have
talking
to
about.
preserve the wildlife.
Yeah, man.
We have to save them thing here, people. So as we say, from the patrol out there, so I must want flood cause him to go over in there, guys. You see me? So not more than he stray away from the rest and he follow them.
Watch out, one more
You see me?
in front of us.
Guys,
Ah,
another
see?
one just move from right.
Rest of friend in there right there, so.
So you know we're not
People there.
lying. You see me? In our patrol, this is the creek. So guys, we have to
Release him.
back. You see me? Get only one me release
Release him
him.
from up here.
Smooth release.
Show them. Put them. Him a run off. Put him
Alright.
from the concrete.
We'll make him run off. Go out.
No, put him on there, so.
From the concrete,
No,
man.
put him up
man,
there,
I'll
so.
put him right here, so.
Yeah.
Make him run off.
Release.
So we catch all of that live.
Live
From Wildlife BBC News. So just stay tuned. Guys, we have a show online now.
Top on time. Fish on, guys.
Alright.
Fish on, guys. Alright, you might run.
Flush him up.
You might run. Aye.
Follow me down.
You not get him. You not get him. Let's let a while ago. Try again. Come in, know say if Steve whap him, you know. You know say if Steve whap him.
Yo, me should have just wait, brother. I know my style
You see-
to jar right
yo.
now. Me should have just wait, bro.
You see if Steve, I
Walk
circle,
on Billy.
Walk on,
I circle Kevin.
Yeah?
I-
Little claw.
Oh,
Spoon up and circle. See it again. See me.
See
alright.
me again.
Alright, one more run.
See me again. What the line that's again? What the line about time? You let it go?
Sing out with it.
Alright,
Sing out with it.
alright. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys.
Make him go on.
Fish on, guys.
Make him go on.
Fish on,
You
guys.
know nothing on there, bush.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look. I see me. What you
Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
see me about.
alright.
The line.
Whoa,
Now take the time, man.
take your time. Aye.
Give me time. Give me time.
See my jump there?
Go on, walk.
See me?
Give him time with it.
See me? Bring him
Take
close.
time, carry.
Bring
Take time, carry.
him close. Gaffer, gaff him.
Right of it. Right of it.
Gaff him, gaffer.
Right of it.
Ah, see me?
Take your time, man. Just take your time.
Right of foot. Tired in 90s.
Take your time.
Don't
Come back
give
to
him
come back
nothing,
to
son.
come back to come back to.
Give me a run. Give me a
Don't
run.
give him nothing, son, 90s.
Come here.
Yeah, man, make him work, man. Make him go and work. Make him go and work. Yeah, man.
Leo, watch my line, watch my line.
Give him
See,
little fightings.
Give me a lane, give me a lane.
Yeah.
Three line thing in about me, I hold him people,
Yeah.
you see me?
Just take your time.
Short line for the one there, man.
Take your time.
See, big dog, them.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
No man, just continue. Watch
Aye. Watch ya.
that you know what you know. Don't make it hold on your hand gun. Hold your hand gun.
Yeah. No give him no tension. No give him no tension.
You know what thing?
Cause your line extra thing in the 90s.
Watch your foot on the line, 90s. Watch your foot on the line.
Come from there is a fish. Jesus Christ, fish.
Boy, no.
No man, believe me.
Believe man, 90s are take him up, man.
The foot.
Well, come out man, I'm going again. Man.
Look where fish gone at top.
That me I say too.
What a fish, Ricky.
Give me a lane, give me a lane. Alright.
Take your time with him. Take your time with him. See that, guys? See him right there, so? Believe man, I win him while, you know, guys.
Drop the stick out of water. You tired, you know? No. Drop that to me.
I give him nothing.
Take on time.
Watch your line,
Watch your line. I was going to cups, you know what I see and come down. But me cups are not like sharp.
You know that me.
No, them cooks are not like salt water cooks.
Right now. But in from your hand, so you know, so I fight him, I fight to take out too.
Yeah, grab that.
It's a hard to grab.
I'm on helping me.
Ziggy, go on very for that.
What me there say?
Doing that.
See me?
Yeah. Come now, man. Come on, man. What you hold on for my line for? Me this say help me?
Where's Steve? No, you don't need Steve.
Spoon, watch your line, you know.
I'm watching him.
You have a record.
Alright. Yo, I told me now, look at this thing. You hold it?
I'm holding another part of line now, 90s. Holding another part of line now, 90s.
I give no tension, you know.
Yeah.
I give no tension.
90s, you know what the line?
You poppy.
You poppy line?
You poppy.
Take him out now, man. You're tired now, you know.
You are tired fish that man. Okay.
That is it.
That is it.
That is it, people.
First one. Number win. Look
Watch
here.
out. Somebody catch him before, watch out. Somebody hooking on him mouth, people. Watch out.
A boss that the boss for him.
Bossing.
Look.
That is it.
Watch out. Catch water upon them and they do. Get them a dead.
Can't kill off a beat them.
That is it, man. Sesame man, cause we have to sesame man. That's what I say.
Yeah.
So we have some more beta, guys.
That is it.
We can do a cook up.
Alright guys, so 90's gone up so with fish number 1.
That is it.
Doing a year time
We
for.
have hopes. My one get one, not gonna see that. And I see my one get one, but get one account.
No, get one account tonight.
Yeah, go back team. No.
Get one account tonight.
Yo. I want him my line up for free, no brother, cause this thing, that pick my line up for free at all time, smoke no more. Watch out, I big dog that, you know?
I said, you call me, I said, Spoon, I'm over here ready.
Listen, yo,
You do the line.
look how the boy want with it. Ease him up
But watch
and give him tension.
When 90's get picking up, and he say Lego, you hear what me say? Wanna go take up my line, as me come to take up my line to show you what it a run. Big boy that funny, me should have just wait, cause Steve would have bring him out, you know. I tell you.
So, yo, show peeps them one name, Steve. Show them Steve. What's Steve there?
So Steve, trust the Steve,
Trust the Steve. Trust the
Never
Steve,
fail
take up
me.
any top one, guys.
Anything.
Anything. Never tell a lie.
Clear me line.
Never tell a lie.
Clear me line.
Never tell a lie.
Big boy that in the 90's.
You want run?
Let him go. You want to grab him back.
Yeah man, my word.
Aye.
Man. See him now, man.
Hi. Hi. Hi, no. Hi.
No pie me.
Ah, see him there.
To toddler, but
Is
one
that next little one?
take him out of water.
Take him out.
Take him out, 90s. Take him out of water. Take him out of water. Where you go?
Hold him.
Take him out of water. I'm gonna move so.
Nobody make him go tangle up back in the tree now.
Yeah, don't bring him back to tree.
Don't give him no tension neither.
Take him out of.
Yeah man, make him fight man, make him fight.
Tired him out back like the other one.
Yeah.
Me take up my line.
No man, make the line stay up there.
Guys,
See they are out in the
guys, today's going good.
One hand.
One on from Juna line. One on from Juna line, guys. Biggers!
Lego.
Biggers! In Lego?
Yeah. Wait, that's in there.
In there,
Alright.
in there.
Yeah, 90s. 90s.
TV, watch out. TV, come like a regular day. It's a regular day.
Regular. We name Top and Killer for two.
People, I just a
Don't
regular.
finish the bees.
But watch out, people. I have to land my second one. You know, me not play. Hey, get away.
How about that?
This one come a while ago.
The big one?
No,
It
him.
happened.
I write out just say put him out a while ago. Take your time, 90s. Look at him.
Take your time with it.
Take your time. Just take your time. Don't
I might be sure.
Take on no time.
don't make him go back over there. So please.
Juna, hold him. You hold him? There is it.
People, we are better when we come out to top and killing. You see me? We can't
Hold him
lie,
up.
peeps.
Clear me
Hold him
line,
up.
We can't lie, peeps.
You can't lie.
See, big dog, eh? Spoon me,
Yo.
that, you know?
Yo, you see first, you see when you grab the coil, you.
Brother, yo.
You want when you grab the coil, large. So
People,
we're gone two guys.
Two.
We're gonna wash them off. Come look, go wash them off.
wash them out.
Wash them off before put them in an igloo.
Two.
You man, just shake him up in there. Like a shaker speaker. Ah, come in. That is it, man. So guys, I go put them in a igloo, you know?
Yeah, man, me know. No once me
What you mean?
here, brother.
That is it, man. Watch out, guys. We're not going bad so far, man. We're not going bad so far, man. Sesame, man. Subscribe, please. Subscribe.
Come over.
That is it.
The 90s line no go natty up. You feel the huggy up and I say, what?
Fish on! Call me and say 1 hand pan Juna line, same time.
You brother.
Look at where zebra then there where you feel catch you date then.
Line up so look at toddlers off by water side.
Line up there again, guys.
That is it, peeps. We work and believe.
Work and believe. Rain can't stop we, guys. Rain can't stop with no time.
Alright, big dog.
We just thank Father God for the rain, you know.
Yeah.
Bless the land. And then bless the water too.
Yeah, man. Never cost your works, man.
Never question the works. One more on, guys.
One more and again, guys.
Whoa!
Get to it,
You
get
gone?
to it, get to it.
False alarm.
False alarm! False alarm!
No, damn. I forgot
No
to turn
man,
off
see
the-
one day at a swim, man. He must swim.
Eh?
He must swim, man.
Year one.
Yeah. Come here, say to me, you see.
Oh, am I be at that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't be at that. I'm almost alive.
Man, let me.
My date.
I fear be at that to just drop off, man.
Guys, see, magician, you know. I try to see him can get some different fish right also.
You know what? What do you say?
Well, we're outside, guys. Look on the hunt. But watch out. Watch out, my people. I biggest top on this me ever see. I pick this. Right now, if Juna Lifestyle, let's see this Juna Lifestyle and laugh. We see how short man them a laugh off of we. Watch out. Look who beanie sitting.
Never wait till him go pick the line.
But I never will send him go pick a line. You fry that dry like Sprat. Guys, 90s catch one next look. One look where you pick.
Come out.
What him said you?
What him said you, my people.
90s I catch you pick.
Yeah, man. Calm down, calm down.
What if a baby top on there now? You can't do them a fish here, guys. I most durable fish them ever. All when the water stagnant, you see through them breathe oxygen, then just come up on the top of the water and take up some oxygen. And ready again for the road.
Igloo, look there.
Best believe. You see them there? You see them little compared to the rest, guys? Beanie. And then we have a little perch. Tilapia. You know them they are going to fry up and cook up later. It's melting. Alright my peeps, so we have to change the spot. Don't so did I go on too bad. Yeah, Crocodile land, so we change the spot and so we are try one next spot cause oh, he might get a bite on the line, guys. I wonder we might catch.
Wait,
I wonder we might catch.
See me? See me?
Go on.
Aye.
What is it?
Bring him close, let us see him.
See my peeps.
Oh.
See that is it.
Nice
That's in a really big.
But him friable.
But he friable.
90s there, so I show a film line, guys. So we just there one water hole. We have one bridge in show, you know? Guys, come here, catch you first one and look when get fat catters.
Where this I go?
Yo, that now work out, brother.
I
prettiest catfish this Mr. Do.
Yeah man, in clean.
In
Catfish are
beard.
clean. You look like you can eat.
In beard. But on our style, that's not.
No.
We're not eating that.
Move and ask me,
Go back.
damn what?
Go back in our water.
Yeah man, I have to go and back go swim.
Leave that alone, yeah.
Dog, you have to go bait up and chew again. You have to do better, man.
Be right, man. Watch out, guys. Fish after fish. Fish after fish. 90s line around. 90s line.
That is
Watch
it.
ya.
That is it.
Watch ya.
90s one bigger than my one, man.
Yeah. Fish after fish, guys.
No, it's not
Fish after fish in our igloo, my people.
Load up the line when we catch that one.
That is it, man.
Load up the line back for me there, sir.
That is it.
Please and thanks. Yeah, my peeps, I end up another epic banger. You already know where I go. Guys, we've been at travel today because I rain. Look on the sky, same way. Still dark in our way, you see me? But that never stop us from doing what we do.
Never ever.
Take a look in our igloo and see what I want, no man.
I want another movie now.
Guys, enough respect to 90s. See him over there, nah, give up, you know. Guys, we are going to go home and then circle back for him.
For
You see
him,
me? 'Cause
yeah.
he's not ready. You see me? So we circle back for him anyway. You see me? So yeah, guys, I say, yo, big up to Color Smith TV, big up T Jersey Girl, and big up Junior Lifestyle of Fishing all the time. Canter Spear Fishing, same way, bro. Big up yourself, you see me? Big up Sax, big up Climber, Pappy Spear Fishing. All the colors you them. You see me? I say, man, them just big up themselves. Guys, as me I say, we're close off you now. Going because time I get dark, you see me? So no just stay tuned. Always remember, like, comment, share,
Subscribe.
Nether banger.
That is it. We out.